You've been staring at that textbook for 45 minutes. And your brain? Still in sleep mode. Most people don't study wrong because they're lazy. They study wrong because no one taught them how to study smart. So here's how to stop wasting time and actually get stuff done. Let's fix your study game in 5 steps. Number 1, active recall. Stop rereading. Seriously, if your eyes are moving but your brain's on vacation, you're not learning. Quiz yourself instead. Make your brain sweat a little. Number 2, spaced repetition. Cramming is like eating 10 burgers in 1 minute. You won't digest any of it. Space your reviews out. Learn. Forget a little. Review. Boom. Memory locked in. Number 3, the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes. Break for 5. Repeat. It's like HIIT, but for nerds. Number 4, teach it. If you can teach something to your cat, your little brother, or a confused dog, you probably understand it. No joke. Explaining helps you learn faster. Number 5, gamify it. Turn studying into a game. Track your streaks. Earn points. Reward yourself like the brain-hacking genius you are. Yes, you're tricking your brain, but your brain falls for it every time. So yeah, studying doesn't have to suck. Study smarter. Add some chaos. Laugh at your flashcards. Get those grades, or at least stop crying over them. Like and subscribe and share this with that one friend who's been studying wrong all the time.